Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're talking about a fruit often called the jewel of nature, pomegranate. It's not just beautiful to look at, it's a nutritional powerhouse with some incredible health benefits. Let's explore the top 5 nutritional benefits of pomegranate that will leave you amazed. Pomegranate is loaded with powerful antioxidants like phenolphthaleins and anthocyanins. These antioxidants protect your cells from free radicals, reduce inflammation, and slow down aging. It's like giving your body a protective shield from within. Did you know that drinking pomegranate juice can significantly improve heart health? The polyphenol found in pomegranates help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol, and promote better blood flow. All crucial for a healthy heart. Want to keep colds and flu at bay? Pomegranates are packed with vitamin C, a vital nutrient for a strong immune system. Just 1 cup of pomegranate seeds can give your body the boost it needs to fight off infections. Pomegranate is rich in dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion and keeps your gut happy. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, reduces bloating, and maintains a healthy gut microbiome. Here's a beauty secret. Pomegranate is a game changer for your skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in this fruit help repair damaged skin, reduce wrinkles, and promote a youthful glow. It's like natural skincare from the inside out. So, there you have it. Antioxidants, heart health, immunity, digestion, and glowing skin. All from one magical fruit, the pomegranate. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health secrets. See you next time.